Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Instagram. Please follow me there. Today we'll be unboxing the Jabra Elite 85H. I've tried these headphones before. They have very good sound and they compete quite well with other companies like Bose and their noise canceling headphones. These are wireless headphones. They're smart active noise canceling headphones. They have 8 microphones, which is amazing. Up to 36 hours of battery life with active noise canceling on. And as you can see here, they have apps for the headphones from the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. Now we'll get into the unboxing here. So this comes with a case. We like the box very much. The yellow is quite bright. We like that from Jabra. So getting started here on the inside is the Jabra case, and everything comes in the case that you need. There they are. So those are the headphones, active noise canceling with 8 microphones. You can plug it in directly if you don't want them wireless. Recharge with USB Type-C. We like to see that these people, and this company is including the USB Type-C recharging cable. And they also include an airline adapter, which is unique. Not too many airlines use these anymore, but they include it anyway, which is nice. So here are the headphones. They unfold from the case and they twist into position. These are very nice ear cups. Although if you wear them for too long, they will get a little warm. So nice top view of the headphones. They're adjustable up here, right there, and then on this side as well. And down here are the recharging port. Tells you it's in pairing mode right now. Also the wired port as well. And then there's some buttons here that are touch sensitive on the side. And this is the Jabra Elite 85H Bluetooth wireless active noise canceling headphones. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram.